Hey everyone, welcome back to the Math Challenger. Today we are doing something a bit different. We are diving into the world of proofs. But this isn't a normal math proof. The proof we're going to look at comes to the conclusion that 2 equals 1. However, with our real-life experience, we can clearly say that having one math book doesn't equal to having two math books. But before talking too much, let me walk us through the proof first, and then analyze where the proof might have gone wrong. Okay, so let's say A equals B. Nothing wrong with this statement, right? It's just a simple definition that we chose. All right, then let's multiply both sides with A, and then we got A times A, which is A to the power of 2, what is still normal. And on the other side, we then got A times B, or just AB. But let's just say we want to subtract B to the power of 2, which we can do, as long as we do it on both sides. Okay, now when we look at the left side, we have A to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 2. Some might immediately say, isn't that the third binomial formula? Yes, it is, but for those who forgot, here's a quick side note. Okay, after simplifying, we have A plus B times A minus B on the left side, and on the right side, we could factor out the B, leaving us with B times A minus B. What we now could do is just dividing by A minus B since it's on both sides, and on the left side, we would be left with A plus B, and on the right, we would be just left with B. Now let's jump back to our first statement where we said that A equals B. When we now look at our equation on the left, we could just say that instead of A plus B, we have B plus B, which is nothing more than 2B. But now something strange happens. We have 2B equals B. If we divide by B, now we are mysteriously left with 2 equals 1. How is this even possible? Can you spot the mistake? You can pause the video now if you want to find the mistake yourself. But otherwise, let's see where the calculation went wrong. So when we look at the step, when we divided by A minus B, we just did something very horrible in math. Because we just divided 0 by 0, and we know this is undefined. We could stop this video now with this answer, but I want to dive in a bit deeper to see why division by 0 destroys our logic in maths. Alright, so when we are doing division in math, we know that A over B means finding the number x that solves our equation, b times x equals A. Quite easy to understand, we just rearranged our statement about division. Let's do a small example first. When we say A equals 6 and B equals 2, x equals 3 would be our only solution for this equation, right? Now let's go to our case before where we divided 0 by 0. So A would be equal to 0 and B would be equal to 0. Okay, our task would now be to find x so that 0 times x equals 0. The problem now is 0 times 1 equals 0 is possible. 0 times 2 equals 0 is possible. Even 0 times 99,999 equals 0 is possible. Meaning there are endless possibilities. A problem of this implication is that basically every number can equal to any number. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more math challenges. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.